Hi everyone! How are you doing today? It is Poi here with Pimmy's Handcrafted Soap, and what I thought we'd do today is to unbox my really small order that I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It's my first time using them, and so I'm excited to see how the items turn out inside the box. So I ordered these things on the 9th of October and they arrived on the 14th. Which is pretty fast to me considering there was a weekend in between as well. So let's dig in. I'm really excited about this order because I decided to try the rectangle boxes with window for packaging my soap. So we'll see how it goes. So this is what came in the box. 1 out of 4 of the items that I ordered. This is rectangle window white box. Another thing I ordered from them is this mold. It's for making shower steamers and I really like it. The details are Milky Way Lotus Gas soap mold, and this is the 5-piece one. There's also an 8-piece mold, but I got the 5 because the cavities are bigger. These are really nice. I'll be using these for making shower steamers. Wow, it smells really good. I like it. I can't wait to try it in my soap. You guys, thank you so much for hanging out. I know this is a short video and it's just me unboxing. So I'm gonna try this in my soap real quickly. I don't know if I even ordered the right size, but I'm really keen to try. Wow, this is so easy, you guys. Any of you using this, let me know how it works for you. I've seen some people use it and it works fantastic. Okay, so I'm gonna try putting in one of my soaps. This is lime and lemongrass essential oil soap that I made a while ago. It's so pretty and it smells great. So I'm gonna try with this and I hope I ordered the right size. There you go. So it works out really well. So here's how it looks. I quite like it and it fits perfectly. For other soaps, I think mine is a little too wide. I might have to trim just a tad bit off the side to make it fit into this box. But I like it so far and I think it's gonna be awesome that I use it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. And also please like the video if you do. I will be making more content and I hope you guys have a good day. Today is a gloomy day for me, so wish me luck. Bye.